Now we are introducing the Dreame V11 Cordless Vacuum. Throughout the open box, we can see all the attachments. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to open the language list. Then press the button to scroll through the language list to select the desired one. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to use the selected language. Press the button to switch between 3 suction levels of Eco, Med, and Turbo. Press briefly to enter or exit lock. Click the electronic lock again to quit the continuous cleaning mode. Fully charge the vacuum before using it for the first time. It will take about 4 hours.